Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a map like capuchin. So first what you want to do is you want to go add mesh plane, scale it up to whatever you can work with, and then press Ctrl 2 to get it whatever you want, or Ctrl 1, whichever one you want. I'd recommend not going with Ctrl 3 with 3 subdivisions because it might lag your game. We'll press tab, and we'll don't extrude. Go to subdivision apply. Now go to edge select, press Control, hold, press and hold Control, and then deselect all of the select faces by dragging over them while pressing and holding Control. And then press E, press Z to snap to an axis, and then press E again, right click instantly, and then it'll stay there, and then you can extrude outwards, and then E, right click, and then you can drag that up. And most people like a little curve at the top, so press E again, right click again, scale tool, and then scale it down. Go to the move tool, move it up, and then shade smooth by angle to make it look better. And then what you want to do to get the best effect, you want to select that edge, and then select the edge on the opposite side of the map. Make sure it does not go through the middle. And then while holding Control to get a ring, like if you hold Shift, you will only select one edge at a time. If you hold Control, you will select half of the stuff. Keep on holding Control, select the rest of them. And you'll press Control, press and hold Control, press B, and then you can bevel it. And then go to segments, put that as 2. And then shade smooth by angle. Keep sharp edges, turn that off. And then turn the shade smooth by angle to whatever you want, so it does not look fully. Like that's shaded, but this is not. And then you want to do the same thing for the bottom. Select one edge to the opposite edge, press and hold Control, pull it through the middle, so you want to do something like this. Keep on clicking with Control, hold down, Control B. It's already set it for 2 in here, so you should be fine. Press tab, right click, shade smooth by angle. And then just keep on doing that for these. Control, right click, Control, right click, Control, Control, click, Control, Control B. Oh, like that. And the same thing for the top. This should be the last thing, unless you got a bigger map. And then after that, right click, shade smooth by angle. Now after that, that's basically your map done. If you want bridges, you can add that later. As of right now, we're just worried about the map itself. If you want a river or something one through, you can go to object mode, scope mode, minus, and add minus. With this selected, radius, turn that up to maybe 81 or 80, whichever is big enough for you. Turn dynamic topology on, it's up to you. And then you want to drag to make your river, and then drag this way too to make like a section of the river that flows away from the actual river. And then I like putting like holes in the side of the wall so that it does not look like it just stops. Keep on filling that in. Now it looks like the river keeps on going. And same for where the river starts. If you want to have a river, if not, just skip past this. That should be it. If you want little hills, press the plus, take the hills. In my opinion, if you go and just shade it flat for right now, then you can see what you're doing easier. Then if you go out of Sculpt mode, then you're gonna have to turn dynamic typology back on. And add your hills. I beveled it a little bit too much, but that's okay. And then after you do that, go back to this, shade smooth by angle. If it looks bad, just keep on messing with the settings. I think that's the best I'm gonna get it to look. There's gonna be some sharp edges, but that's okay. Then and after that, go to UV editing. Go to face select up here. Press A to select all the faces. Press U to get UV mapping. Press unwrap, and then press U again. Smart UV project. I like to pick the island marking at 0.01. And press OK. And after that, that's basically all you gotta do for that. Go to texture paint, whichever texture you want to use the most. I'm probably going to use stone because of all the walls. Go to into that. Go to texture right here. Press new. Press open, and then get your stone texture. I like using a fur texture because usually it will look better, in my opinion, for stone. And then go to texture slots, go to no textures, press plus, base color, keep that as white, and that's done. And now what you want to do is you just want to go to here, make the brush bigger, so you get that low quality. You don't want low quality, you can just make the brush smaller. But in my opinion, I like low quality. That might be too low quality, so I'll just go around. Go in random directions, so it does not look copied and pasted over. And then after that, that's your stone. Press the X to get a new texture. Press open. Then go to your since I got a river bed, I'm gonna use my stand texture, scale that down, and keep the river. Go in the holes, and then open, and then get your grass texture. Mine's in downloads instead of the other one this time. And now press F to resize your brush. One just roll it over. We'll just do that for wherever you want grass, or whatever texture you're using. And you'll get that blend like over here. Then you want to do that for the top layer too, if you have a top layer. If not, then just skip past this part. Well, I have a top layer, so I got to do this. And then after that, your texture and map is done. You can add trees later. I will put an FBX to a tree in the description or the Discord of it. And then to save the textures, which we're going to want to do, is go to Image, Save, and then save it wherever you want it to be. For me, it's automatically set to Documents, but I'd probably put it in this game because that's my frenzy. Then I'm making the game for him. And then, after you save the texture, the entire map, you can just import to Unity, and it should be perfectly fine. If you don't rush like I did, you can get something that is similar to this. This is what I made the map, but did not rush. I used stone texture, but I just don't know what my stone texture is. This was a month ago, so, but, and then you can just add all the different stuff, like you can add your bridge, you can add trees, bushings, maybe a statue somewhere. Your water, you could have a waterfall, and that's it. Goodbye.